In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play the popular song "I Will Pray" by Minister Ebuka songs, and it's going to be in the key of C. All right, this is our scale. Okay, so without wasting a second, this song is more or less like a chant. There's no much complications in it. The only chords you need to know for this song are just your second chord in the key of C. Okay, that is your D minor chord. The next chord you need to know is your sixth chord, which is your A minor chord. Okay. The next chord you need to know is your first chord. That is your C major chord. And the last chord you need to know for this song is your fifth chord, G major. Okay. I will pray, I will pray, I will pray, oh, I will pray. If I don't pray, Satan will make mess of me. Okay? I will pray, I will pray, I will pray, oh, I will pray. If I don't pray, Satan will make mess of me. You see what I did at this point? I will pray, you can see, I will pray, chord 2. That's your D minor. I will pray, oh, A minor. I will pray. If I don't pray, C major. Satan will make mess of me. You can see that, okay? So one thing you can add to this song is that whenever you're going to the chord 1, you play the 5 as a passing chord. Okay, whenever you're going to the chord 1, which is C major chord, you quickly play the 5th chord. That is G major chord as a passing chord to get to the chord 1. Okay, so this is what I mean. Look at, I will pray, chord 2, I will pray, oh, chord 6, I will pray. So now I'm going to the chord 1, I will not do like this. If I don't pray, you see that? That is, instead of just, I will pray 2, I will pray, oh, to 6, to chord 6. If I don't pray to chord 1, you can see, in this case I did not apply the 5 as a passing chord. So instead of just from 6 to 1, you can do 6, then play 5 as a passing chord before you get to the 1. Okay, and it's very beautiful that way. Okay, so again, I will pray, I will pray, I will pray, oh, I will pray. If I don't pray, Satan will make mess of me. I will pray, I will pray, I will pray, oh, I will pray. If I don't pray, Satan will make mess of me. If Jesus can pray, if Peter can pray, okay, that's just basically how the whole song flows. Just basically these chords. I hope you learned something new. I hope you found value in this video. If you learned, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. This channel is all about piano breakdowns, tutorials, and many more. Okay, so we'll see you in our next video.